Hello students, I am Rambir from Apples Academy. Today we will discuss chapter number 2, Geography, Forest and Wildlife. So first of all, what is forest? Forests are very useful for us. For example, when we live or untouched a type of vegetation for many years, it is known as vegetations. Forests are useful for us for the purpose of many things. Example, this gives us timbers, valuable timbers, fuel. These are the source of the livelihood of millions of animals, which also bring us ecological balance in India. So forests have an important role in our country. Then what is the estimate of the forest in India, or species that is categorized into many categories? For example, normal species, endangered species, red data book always describe the different kinds of category of animals and plants, which are tells us about the category of these animals. Last category of this is known as exist, which are not found anywhere in the country. These are not exist animals. For example, dodo, dinosaur, and some other animals or trees which have no found in every part of the country. So in India, what is the next topic is conservation. Conservation of forest and wildlife, flora and fauna. What are the methods that we should conserve? It is an urgent need in the country that we should conserve forest and wildlife in India, because these are valuable. These balance the ecosystem. So what are the causes of the, first of all we will discuss the causes of the depletion of forest and wildlife. Depletion. There are many causes of depletion of the wildlife. For example, industrialization, expansion of agriculture, large expansion of agriculture in the British period. It was the largest decline of the forest and wildlife in India. Hunting, poaching, urbanization, large scale of population, all these factors are responsible for the depletion of the forest and wildlife in India. So what our strategy that we should keep in mind to reserve or safety for these things, flora and fauna? For example, number one, we should start with the afforestation in many parts of the country. Afforestation karenge, then it is useful for us. Urbanization, it should be increased day by day, but with planning method. We should, hunting and poaching should be banned. And some animals projects should be started by the government. For example, Project Tiger, Project Rhino, Project Elephant, all these started by the government. Indian Wildlife Protection Act was implemented in 1972 to safety for the forest and wildlife. Wildlife Protection Act 1980 implemented. In 1986, there is another Wildlife Protection Act implemented in India. All these steps are very useful for the conservation of the wildlife and forests in India. Next, what is the role of the community? There are many roles in the community that they conserve the forest. For example, community can gather the tribals. Tribals have a belief, faith that they conserve the forest and their home always live in the forest. So they wanted to discuss, they wanted to protect. For example, Chipko movement, Narmada Bachao Andolan, Tihiri Dam Andolan. All these are the examples that people started to save the flora and fauna in the country. They wanted sacred groves. They worship the many plants, many animals at their home, and they wanted that these should be preserved for future. Because community who live in the forest area, they deeply attached with forest and wildlife. In India, we worship many plants, for example, tulsi, banana.